Cooking up a storm today, cycle day 32, and Alexa was giving me more self-care today about being wary of overbooking myself. So I have made lots of space to prioritize a masterclass that I'm doing at the moment on a 3-step journey to share your truth. So I'm channeling all my energy into that, and it is feeling super, super great. Loving the connection with people and having lots of space and time in between that connection to meditate and recharge and be in nature. So great advice. I did her self-care challenge today as well, and she just gave me some really positive notes of affirmation. So very grateful to Alexa.
Do you want me to add the peesafe 100% cotton biodegradable sanitary pads to your shopping cart?
Yes, Alexa.
Your order has been confirmed and will be delivered to you soon.
This is the Alexa, Where is My Period 28-day challenge.